Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change a phone number on Garena account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.garena.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the official web page, click on the account button at the top right and make sure that you're logged into your Garena account. From the main homepage of Garena Account Center, click on the change button right next to your phone number. Now, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile number in order to change it. Click on Get OTP and wait for the code to arrive. Once you receive your code, type it in the verification code text box. After you type in your code, click Verify. Now, select your country code from the drop-down. Enter the mobile number that you'd like to change to. Click on Apply. You'll now again need to type in the verification code that has been sent to a new mobile number. Click on the Get OTP button in order to receive the code and type in the verification code as soon as you receive it. After typing in your SMS code, click Verify in order to change your mobile number. That is how you'll be able to change your phone number on Garena account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.